All right, traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at the market leading stocks via our proprietary scans for Friday, September 26, 2014. A very extreme downside day going. We're down 78 handles in the NQs. We're down 220 on the Dow. Don't have a whole lot of downside continuation signals. They did a lot of damage today, a lot of technical damage. Biogen, Sign-up both have open-close deviations, and those are just organically. That's without news per se. A couple of volume bumps here as Broadcom's indicated lower tomorrow with two signals. Moving on to the financials, just a couple of downside signals here. Weakness across the board, but not a lot of signals to show for it. Morgan Stanley almost has an open-close deviation. That one's got a downside CPS. Keep an eye on Visa. We're watching that this afternoon. Set up a nice base today for it to break under, so that could be a player for tomorrow. Energy names very weak today. Look at the bias here in the preponderance of the downside signals. LNG, which is new to our list, replacing Arch Coal, was down 2.5%, which gives us an open close deviation. At a volume bump in BP and also CHK, and the CHK has a downside CPS. Moving on to the generals, a couple of downside CPSs, and basically I think the thing here is just an absence of buy side signals. John Deere has a volume bump along with some real weakness. VMware, which had been strong the last couple of days, was real weak. Housing names, not really where the action was today per se. Toll Brothers has an RPS to the upside, but most of these are trading on very light volume. DHI does have a downside CPS. Transports are weak, but a complete absence of signals. We might wind up with a volume bump here in American Airlines by the close. And the commodities there was really, with the dollar strength today, there was really no safe haven in the golds. Newmont's not only higher on the day versus yesterday's close, but they really haven't kicked in yet. Silver Wheaton, which is down near a key level on the daily chart, is putting up a contra candle to the buy side, so that could be interesting for tomorrow. And U.S. Steel, after filling that gap, is posting an upside RPS, so we can see some upside relief in U.S. Steel tomorrow. All right, folks, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for Trade.